This is the world's smallest 100 watts power bank. This is a really intriguing product from INIU. Smallest 100 watts power bank that you ever find on the market. My name is ABEiiKU. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go. So this is the package, and then you just peel it apart over here and you move this one out of it. Packaging for me, I think that is very simple. Pouch that you can put a power bank in it. It has an INIU logo over here, which is the trademark that you can find. I think it makes it very handy in terms of you carrying this power bank to anywhere that you are traveling. You have the manual. So you say go greener with INIU. So this manual shows you how to use a power bank. It talks about all the power layout that you have, and it gives a diagrammatic representation of the power bank and everything that you need to know about it. You also have a USB-C to C cord over here. Main product over here. So you have the INIU 100 watts, 25,000 milliamperes power bank. And this thing looks really interesting. I like that it's able to fit into your palms like this. It has a bit of weight and bulkiness, and you can see why this is very small. It's very compact in terms of the build. If you put it inside the pouch that comes with it, it becomes just like this, and you hold it this way, you travel to wherever you are going with. Now let's get into why this power bank is the smallest and the most durable power bank of this size that you ever find on the market. This power bank over here has a very smooth polishing and build to it. The sides here are all smoothened. The design over here is very simple. It's built really compact. When you press hard on it, you don't find any creaky sounds, or you not feel any holiness in it. And when you hit it, you can see that this thing is really built compact in terms of the nature of the build. Now at the top over here, you can see that we have three different kind of ports over here. So the first port that you have over here is a USB-A port. The second one over here, you have the USB-C in and out. You also have the USB in port over here, which is also another port. Combined, you have three different kinds of ports on this, which you can use to charge three devices simultaneously at the go. And so you do not need to charge one device, then later on come and charge the other devices, because this one gives you all the ports that you need to charge your devices on the go. Look at the right hand side over here. You have the power button. The power button over here is just to put on this power bank over here. And the bottom part, you have nothing over here. On the left side, you have nothing over here. So it's just a very smooth finished build with it. And I really like that it feels a bit cold to the touch. This thing is really built heavily well. And so the durability here, for me, I can say that this thing will last for quite a long while. Interestingly, INIU is giving you about 3 years of warranty. So when you buy this and you're using it within the next 3 years and you get any problem, you can ship it back to the manufacturers and they will provide you with a new one. Let's look at why this power bank over here is the most intriguing thing that you can find in terms of its price bracket and its power outage. It has a 25,000 milliamperes in it. So with 25,000 milliamperes battery, it means that you can really charge a lot of things. You can charge your MacBook Pro with it. You can charge your iPad. You can charge your Samsung tablet. You can charge your phones. You can even charge your cameras with it. So this is going to give you an amazing amount of charging speed. USB-A port over here is going to give you 18 watts of power charging. The second port, which is also going to give you a 65 watt charging, and the first port is going to give you 100 watt charging. This power bank over here is going to be able to charge a device like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a 5,000 milliamperes battery. The 100 watts over here to charge this S24 Ultra, you are going to get 30 minutes charge for 75%. Within 30 minutes, you are going to get a 75% charge from zero on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. That is going to give you an amazing kind of charge output with this kind of power bank. For me, I think that is completely insane. That is mind-boggling that you'll be able to get this at a faster rate. So if, for example, you decide to use this port over here, you are going to get the S24 Ultra to to charge at a rapid, fast rate. That's what makes this power bank, the INIU fast charge over here, really impressive for what it is able to do in terms of the power delivery. The reason this is the most compact, the smallest power bank that you're going to find at 100 watts, 25,000 milliamperes on the market is because that it uses cell stacking technologies, put together all the circuits on it into a very small, simple hyperstack architecture technology that it uses to be able to achieve this size and compactness. And it also uses high density tiny cells. High density tiny cells is what makes manufacturers to be able to shrink the size of this power bank, this 25,000 milliamperes, into this small size of a power bank that I'm able to fit into my palm. There's a lot of technology and innovation going into this power bank. And let me compare it to another power bank that I have over here. This is a 10,000 milliampere power bank over here, and this is a 25,000 milliamperes power bank. Like, they have the same kind of size in terms of the height and all that, but this is a bit bulkier than this, but they all feel very compact in their palms. But this is just 10,000 milliamperes power bank. Let's compare to another power bank, which is a 10,000 milliampere bank that we have over here. This is a 10,000 milliampere bank. This INIU is a 25,000 milliamperes power bank. This charges at just 45 watts. This charges at 100 watts. If you look at it in terms of the size, you see that they are roughly, in terms of the thickness, they look almost the same. That's just a fraction different. This kind of power bank. The manufacturers of this power bank, which is this INIU power bank, they are not joking in the market. The innovation, the tiny cell technology, the hyperstack architecture technology that is being used in this power bank is just a reflective of the innovativeness of INIU. It has a very large screen over here, which when you tap on it, you can easily see the amount of power wattage and U that you have for your power bank. So you can see in real time the percentage of your power that you have left within the power bank. Traveling for location, for projects and all that, if you use cameras, you work with cameras and all that, and you have this power bank with you, it can easily fit into your sling bag. It can fit into your camera bag. If you want to charge it, top it up and make it to become full so that you can travel with it. At just 1 hour 40 minutes, you'll be able to charge this 25,000 milliamperes battery to the capacity that you have. And that is just impressive because even charging the power bank itself gives you a rapid speed power charging. Combining these two power banks over here, you are getting 10,000 milliamperes battery, and this is 10,000 milliampere, and that's going to give you 20,000 milliamperes battery that you're going to have capacity. So if you are traveling and you have to carry two of these power banks with you, you can just put it aside and take this INIU 25,000 milliamperes battery and 100 watts charging technology with you. This is just one of the best products on the market, and the price that you're getting this, I mean, this is just really innovative and great. I'll put the description of this power bank in the description box below. If you want to buy it, you just click on it and purchase from INIU's store on Amazon. This is ABEiiiKU, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.